X-Rocker 5,152,401 Prism high-tech gaming chair. Take your gaming setup to the next level with headrest-mounted speakers and a subwoofer that provide high-quality audio and real-time vibration for an immersive experience. Modern design. Sleek black design brings a modern look to your office, living room, game room, bedroom, or dorm room. LED lights. Features RGB LED technology and lights up with over 30+ color and pattern combinations that can be controlled with the touch of a button. Razer Iskur gaming chair. Ergonomic lumbar support system, multi-layered synthetic leather, high-density foam cushions, engineered to carry, memory foam head cushion, black, green. Multi-layered synthetic leather. Tougher and more durable than standard PU leather, the chair comes wrapped in multi-layered PVC synthetic leather, making it better suited to withstand the wear and tear from hours of daily use. 4D armrests. Adjust the armrests' height, angle and move them forwards or backwards for a position tailored to the way you sit. VertaGear PL4800 ergonomic big and tall gaming chair featuring revolutionizing ergonomics to tackle core health and comfort related issues plaguing the industry standard gaming chair. VertaGear's patent-pending ContourMax and VertaAir seat promise to tailor themselves to everyone's specific needs and maximize comfort and health. Premium materials. Enjoy the best the industry has to offer with our Puck Faux leather, a combination of PVC and PU that provides durability without sacrificing the comfort. Comfy RGB LED reclining black leather high-back racing gaming pillows and remote-control chairs, multicolor. RGB LED lights with remote control. Light up your gaming room with brilliant RGB lighting around the frame of this LED gaming chair. 7-color LED light options offer bright colors and patterns controlled with a remote and powered using a USB cable. Reclining action. Recliner chair leans back up to 150 degrees and locks at any back angle position. Perfect for relaxing after long gaming hours or late night study sessions. Leather upholstery. This high-back computer chair is upholstered in quilted polyurethane bonded L. OSP Home Furnishings output mid-back LED lit gaming chair, black faux leather with grey trim and accents. Polyurethane battery-powered controllable RGB LED light piping overall size, 28.5, WX 26.25, D by 40.5 to 44.25 inches H. Seat size, 20.25, WX 19.25, DX 4.5, T. Back size, 19.25, WX 22.75, H by 3 inches T thick padded faux leather seat and back with built-in lumbar support. One-touch pneumatic seat height adjustment, flip arm rests, and locking tilt control with adjustable tilt tension approved for commercial or residential use.